Hi, I am going to show you a super easy way of securing a wig using something you can pick up at Walmart. Keep watching for more details. Hi, I'm Christine and I'm on a campaign to make wig wearing more mainstream so we can express ourselves in any way we want and not have somebody look at us sideways just because we're wearing a wig. For practical tips on choosing and wearing wigs, wig reviews, as well as some creative inspiration, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. It's one of the universal laws of wig wearing that the wig has to stay on your head. And even more importantly, it has to feel secure on your head so you can go about your day not being worried that your hair is going to fall off if you move your head a certain way. There are lots and lots of ways of securing a wig. Now, I've tried using wig grips and caps and all sorts of stuff, but either the wig still slid around on my head or it just didn't feel secure. And having it feel secure is as important as it actually being secure, at least to me. Also, I have a flat head up here and in the back, so I don't have a nice curved occipital bone. You can't see because of the wig, but I have a flat occipital bone, so I don't have that nice little shelf that will hold my nape down. Now, this method I'm going to show you is the way I secure all my wigs every day. It works dependably for me, makes my wig feel super secure, and gives me the confidence to go about my day. Now, this is called Got to Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel, and I will put a link to it down in the description box. And this is what I use to secure my wigs. I just goop it on, put the wig on, and let it dry. So let's go to the bathroom now so I can show you exactly how I do this. Now, I keep my hair super short because I'm basically a low maintenance person. I use clippers to maintain it, so I haven't paid for a haircut in 5 years. As an added bonus, it also makes wig wearing super duper easy. All I do is put the gel on my hairline, the nape of my neck, and my temples. As an added benefit, the gel keeps the hair around my temples and my hairline slicked back so it's totally flat and doesn't peek out of the wig. The hairline is pretty straightforward. I just goop the gel on it and push it back. For the nape, I basically put it just above where my hairline stops. The thing is, you have to have at least a little bit of hair for this to work. After I finish putting the gel around the perimeter, the nape, the temples, and my forehead, I wash my hands so there's no goop on them, then put the wig on very carefully. The hardest part of this process is putting the wig on without getting gel on the hair. Although if you do, it's not a huge deal. All you have to do is rinse it off with a little warm water. Once I have the wig on where I want it, I press down the cap. I try to get my fingers underneath the hair as much as possible, so I'm pressing down the cap and not the hair. To make sure I have the nape of the wig in the right place, because I have a tendency to pull it a little bit too low, I hold the back of the wig and tilt my head back. That will make sure the wig is actually on my occipital bone and not too low. I try not to move my head too much for about 15 minutes while the glue dries, and I keep patting it every few minutes. Now, here I am in my Jules by Margu that I significantly chopped the back off of and trimmed up because it was too long in the back for me. The nape is actually pretty short, so you can see that you can't really see my bio hair underneath that. So this wig is glued to my head. I'm pulling that, and it's not the back as well. Back's not quite dry yet, but the back is in there too. Now, obviously, the two downsides to this method are it's messy, and you may not like the feel of the goop on your hair as it dries. And it absolutely can be messy. But for me, it's worth the trade-off because I can feel completely secure knowing my wig is not going anywhere. All I have to do is keep my head a little bit still and keep pressing down as it dries, and by the time I get to work, I know it's on there. The biggest downside to this method, as far as I'm concerned, is taking the wig off. Now, there's two ways you can do it. You can do it the nice, careful, right way, which is taking a warm washcloth and soaking it around near where you put the glue on until it loosens and melts the glue and you can pull the wig up. Or you can do it the way I do it, which is I basically just rip the wig off my head, which can be a little painful every once in a while, but at least it's quick. For you, those things may be a deal buster. For me, I'll go through them in order to feel like that wig is cemented on my head for the whole day. Now, let me know in the comments below what systems you use to secure your wig. Maybe you have another system that I can try that will still cement it to my head but isn't quite as messy. Let me know in the comments below. For more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and leave a comment, because that all helps YouTube decide to show my videos to more people, which is the best way I can get the word out that wigs are one more easy but powerful way to express yourself.